There's momentum today in Canadian provinces, whether it's the carbon tax that was introduced several years ago in BC, or Alberta's ongoing discussions about changing its current system, or the discussions that have recently started up again in Ontario, or Quebec's cap-and-trade system. And what's interesting is that those provincial discussions are all different, and those discussions reflect provincial differences. And those provincial differences are really important, and those details really matter. When you think about the history of policy in Canada, you see that there are many examples where policies have been designed from the provinces first. The development of the Medicare system in Canada was provincially driven, and the drive for reduced budget deficits in the 1990s really came from the provinces. So the discussions in those provinces are very similar at a high level, but they're also very different in terms of details. And those differences reflect the different economic structures, the different economic contexts in those provinces. And they underline the importance of designing policy at the provincial level. You can customize those policies to the provincial context. It's a key part of our strength.